Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro, one of the most advanced drones DJI has ever produced. Thanks to reliable sources, including Jasper Ellens, we now have confirmed details about its official launch date, significant upgrades, and pricing structure. If you're a drone enthusiast, a professional aerial photographer, or someone looking to invest in cutting-edge UAV technology, this is a must-watch. Official launch date and teaser reveal. Mark your calendars. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is set to be officially unveiled on April 24th, 2025, with a teaser dropping a week earlier on April 17th, 2025. This launch is expected to be one of DJI's most significant product announcements of the year, packed with innovative features and enhancements designed to push the boundaries of aerial cinematography. Camera and lens improvements. New focal lengths. A major change in the Mavic 4 Pro is the updated triple focal length system, featuring 28mm, 70mm, and 168mm options. If you were hoping for 20mm or 24mm, unfortunately, that won't be available. The 28mm focal length offers a tighter field of view compared to ultra-wide options. 20mm lens provides a super-wide cinematic feel. 24mm lens offers a balanced perspective with minimal distortion. Lens, more focused and detailed shots, which could be better for controlled framing and high-resolution filming. And 168mm, excellent for zooming into subjects while maintaining incredible image clarity. While some may find the lack of ultra-wide options disappointing, these focal lengths cater to those looking for precision and high-quality depth in their aerial shots. Electronic ND filters. No physical ND slot. DJI has implemented an electronic ND filter system rather than providing a slot for physical ND filters. While this electronic system allows for quick, convenient adjustments, those who prefer physical ND filters for superior image control might find this a limitation. However, DJI claims their electronic ND system will offer comparable image quality while enhancing flexibility. Recording capabilities and sensor size. One of the most exciting upgrades is the Mavic 4 Pro's recording capabilities. It can now shoot in 6K resolution, a significant step up from the Mavic 3, offering better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, higher detail retention, more flexibility in post-production editing. DJI has also introduced a larger image sensor in the Mavic 4 Pro, though the exact dimensions remain undisclosed. However, a bigger sensor means enhanced light intake, reducing noise and producing clearer footage even in challenging lighting conditions. Intelligent flight features and battery life. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is packed with cutting-edge flight technology, making it one of the most autonomous and efficient drones on the market. Some of the top flight features include 160-degree multi-directional movement for smooth, precise flights, 2-minute flight time, making it one of the longest-lasting drones in its category, 3 intelligent flight batteries that can be charged fully in just 90 minutes, advanced AI tracking and subject recognition for smoother cinematic shots. DJI RC Pro 2. The upgraded controller. DJI is also launching the DJI RC Pro 2 alongside the Mavic 4 Pro. This new controller features a 7-inch tilting touchscreen, making flight navigation and camera control easier than ever. It's designed to support low-latency transmission, offering a more responsive piloting experience, even in challenging environments. Pricing breakdown. Is it worth it? With these impressive features, the Mavic 4 Pro comes at a premium price point. Here's the pricing breakdown. Mavic 4 Pro plus DJI RC2, 2,250 Fly More combo. DJI RC2, 3,200 Creator combo. DJI RC Pro 2, 40,400 considering the upgrades in flight time, camera quality, and intelligent features. The Mavic 4 Pro aims to provide excellent value for serious drone users. Final thoughts. Should you buy it? The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer for drone enthusiasts and professionals. With its advanced 6K recording, longer battery life, and precision focal lengths, It offers remarkable improvements over previous models. However, the shift to electronic ND filters and the exclusion of 20mm and 24mm lenses may be deal breakers for some. So, what do you think? Are these new focal lengths suitable for your needs, or would you prefer wider options? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth tech updates. Stay tuned to Techno Trend Zone for more exclusive content on the latest drone tech and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video!